Whatever gets measured gets done. Whatever gets done should be rewarded.
लिखा पढ़ी है कोई? एक्सेल शीट बनाई है? G1 स्लाइडर चाहिए मुझे पांडे, 50 स्लाइड नहीं चाहिए.
Whoever is asking me what's my age today on my birthday, guys, I'm only 2 years younger than Anisha.
Holy shit, guys. Holy shit.
बेटे ई करो ई.
तुम बहुत सोचती हो यार, बस कर दिया करो, जितना बोला है उतना ही कर दिया करो. बार बार क्या परमिशन लेना है?
देखो हर साल 30 बच्चे 30 स्टूडेंट्स हमारे यहाँ से जाते हैं माइका के अंदर.
हाँ तो भाई हमारे साथ आज बहुत ही अमेजिंग सी लड़की. अरे इतने सारे लोग हैं, जल्दी जल्दी लाइक करो.
वो fuck the world.
तुम सबके सब फुद्दू हो यार.
Let's get the party started.
सर पेन गिव अवे है नहीं मेरे पास.
अच्छा बच्चों, 2 शीट्स हो गई. मेरे पास और 2 शीट्स है. यार तुम 500 लोग हो और सिर्फ 200 लाइक्स है. लाइक ठोको यार.
Some sweet memories that I have with Rahul sir is 2 a.m. we went to Siddhivinayak. That was long ago, around 2012 or 13. I don't remember the year exactly, but I borrowed my friend's bike, and we were like on the bike. We went to Dadar. We couldn't get into the temple to get the final darshan, but we managed to sneak a little bit of darshan from outside.
If we were to say one fond memory or something which you have learned, I think there's not just one. You can't have one memory when you've been working together for the last 7 years. It's been a transitional journey right from pre-MBA to during MBA to post-MBA.
Hey, well, so memory. I can't really pick up and choose one. That's because ever since we've met, I have shared all the big and small moments with you, and I can't really choose one single memory. All I can say is thank you so much for being around always. Thank you.
I don't know from where to start, and you know that I can't thank you enough for all that you have done for me. And today I still remember the time when I used to sit on the second bench corner seat, second row corner seat in Borivali classroom, and the first day I was learning normal use word power made easy. Session number 1, रोज सवेरे उठ के मंदिर जाने वाला इंसान है, रोज रात को दारू पीने वाला इंसान.
I remember 2 of your dialogues really well, which are GT beta, how you been, तुम्हारा सब अच्छा ही होगा. And I really feel that had it not been for these dialogues of yours, I would not be where I am.
A fond memory of Sir is when we used to go Ganpati shopping. I am this crazy person who wants Ganpati a particular way, and throughout he was so patient, and ever since then it has become a ritual that Cat King ka Ganpati, so we have to go and get. Unfortunately COVID hit and next year I won't be in the country, but yeah, I'm glad and thank you for the memory.
Like I've always told you that you have been a fortunate stroke of serendipity in my life. So thank you so much for guiding me always and being.
I am like truly and madly awed by whatever you do each day. Last 8 years, numerous leaders have come out of the Cat King, come SOS, come Mia Mia factory. I remember those days 8 years before when you used to call me Chota Packet Bada Dhamal, and the way you just induce, literally inject confidence in each person you meet.
Your first dialogue to me was, "Hi, I'm Rahul." अच्छा सिमरन. Oh, Rahul Simran rings a bell, right? Oh नहीं वो तो राज होता है ना. So from there to you presenting such a great opportunity in front of me, which I grabbed, and to our late night video recording sessions with Ankita and Heath, to our making plans for our Mumbai meetup or the Goa trip and everything.
One good memory of us together is definitely the Pune trip, which you, me and Anisha ma'am had been to. And on the return journey, we had danced like crazy in the car.
The best thing about Rahul sir is that I and him clicked so well, and we became more of friends. So when we are professional, and other times we are friends. So that is the best thing.
The connect which we started building was from the time when I called you at 2 a.m. at night, some random day, to just cry out. I don't know why I called you, because honestly we just had professional relation.
जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं राहुल सर. पता नहीं कितने लोगों की लाइफ है आपने बनाई, देते हैं हर कोई आपको दुहाई। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि करते रहे आप ऐसे ही काम। राहुल सर, हमेशा हर जगह हर जहाँ में हो आपका ही नाम। Thank you so much for all the things you have given. Many happy returns of the day, sir.
Like about Rahul sir and would like to imitate is how he can literally sell anything under this planet in under like 5 to 10 minutes. He has amazing godlike convincing skills, I believe. And he'll just go like this in a meeting, you know, Utpal, Anisha, this product is amazing. It's a super awesome, sexy product. Hai. We must definitely make it big and market it right and so on. And in hindsight, that is his way of, you know, instilling confidence in us that what we're doing is actually on the right track. You know, what we're building here is something really meaningful.
When we did the YouTube live sessions, so I went live 2 to 3 times with Rahul sir. यार YouTube लाइव सेशंस तो हो जाते थे अच्छे से, बट लाइव सेशंस के बाद जो सर गप्पे लड़ाते थे, मतलब काफ़ी सारी बातें बोलते थे, a lot of good things also which I used to learn, right? So those are the most memorable times for me. एक चीज़ जो हमेशा मुझे याद रहती है is how sir starts his YouTube session. He has a very distinct way of saying hello everyone. That is something very distinct about it.
Imbibe from you is the passion and the energy with which you work. That is something I really aspire to have in my life. And certain things that you say which have stuck with me or which I always remember is, what's up party people? So this is how you usually start the conversation with a big audience.
So I was a part of the Cat King mentorship program for 2 months, and even till now I am in touch with you and Anisha ma'am and a part of the Cat King family, which shows a lot about the values that you guys have.
I think you're a person full of energy, full of dedication, and that's what I love about you. And I think the energy that you carry the entire day in respect of, you know, इतना सारा monotonous काम हो जाता है, रोज वही चीज करना. It becomes very hectic and very monotonous, but you carry that smile and that energy all the time, and I love that about you.
I worked with Cat King for 3 months, and वो 3 महीने में जो सबसे अच्छी चीज़ आपकी लगी थी सर मुझे, that was your energy level and your witty humor as well.
I remember before I met you, I was so confused on what to choose for the future and which exams to give and all. But when I met you for the first time, that day itself you cleared more than 50% of my doubts about the career.
I know, long time no see. Brief introduction, Chotu. Alright, I'll just keep it very short, very sweet. I just hope all your wishes come true and you have a beautiful life ahead. All your goals are achieved.
The biggest thing which I have learned from you is that the way you greet people with so much of energy and always a smile.
It's a huge thing that you're helping me and thousands of students to get into the country's top B schools and take another step towards our goals.
You're very happy birthday, sir. Have a wonderful year ahead.
A very happy birthday, sir. Hope you have the best year ahead of you.
Wishing you many happy returns of the day.
Very happy birthday from my side.
Happiest birthday, Rahul sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday Rahul sir. Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, sir. Hope you have a blast and wish you a rocking year ahead.
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Hi sir, many happy returns of the day.
Hello Rahul sir. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Wish you happy birthday Rahul sir.
Many happy returns of the day, sir. God bless.
Happiest birthday Rahul sir.
Happy birthday Rahul.
Happy birthday, Rahul sir.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, sir.
Happiest birthday to you, sir. I hope you have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Rahul sir.
You a very happy birthday Rahul sir.
Happiest birthday, Rahul sir.
Happy birthday, Rahul sir. Have a great year ahead.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Rahul sir.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, sir.
Wish you a very happy birthday, sir.
Hey Rahul sir, wish you an amazing birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Have a great life ahead.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, Rahul sir.
Happy birthday, Rahul sir.
Wishing you many happy returns of the day, sir.
Many happy returns of the day to you.
Happy birthday, Rahul sir.
Wishing you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sir. Enjoy your day.
न खुले अगर ख्वाब है तो ख्वाब सही आ, न खुले अगर ख्वाब है तो ख्वाब सही ये मुलाकात बड़ी देर के बाद आई है